Hello guys and Happy New Year to all of my subscribers. So here will be an elevator tour at Mount Heaven in Tsing Yi, Hong Kong. We will not look at the map, it's because this is a residential building. So we will be now going to start with the main elevators, which is in block 2, which has a Fujitec elevator. And for this time, we will be going to elevator number 5.
I stay with you. No. It's okay. Wait.
Then why are you staying?
It's okay. Sorry. Not now. I know. You want to catch that moment. Nice.
Wait for me here.
Sure. Oh?
Are you living in second floor?
Yeah. But I can stay with you at the 25th floor because I know that you want to take the video, right?
Right.
Okay, no problem. But please let them. Yes, very gentleman. Okay? After you're going up to 25th floor, and we will go down to second floor. Okay? No, after that. Okay? You're so cute. Okay. I know I'm vlogging you, right? Really good. Oh, I like your shirt. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Is it kangaroo? Please. No problem.
Which flat?
Yes.
The next elevator that we're going is the Clubhouse Elevator. This is also a Fujitec, but with black square call buttons.
Where's Yuri?
The next elevator that we're going is the Carpark Elevators. We will go to elevators number 15 and 16. It has a different bell chime. Wait for me here.
Wait for me! Ethan, come back! Ethan!
5,000咩
5000人民幣
？For what？
洗碗機，
一個咁平咩？買幾多錢？
我哋賣1萬。
1萬哇 ，mark up 嚟。
Even no next.
And anyways, we will go to Carpark Elevators number 17 and 18. This is another set of Carpark Elevators that I'll be going. It's also a Fujitec, but it has the same equipment than Elevators number 15 and 16.
Before.
And now for the final. We will have a extra bonus. We will be going to elevator number 6 at block 2, and this is the first ever elevator filming with Elevator Man 2005.
It's at Mount Haven Block 2 in Tsing Yi Hong Kong. These are Fujitec Exceldyne traction elevators, and here's this one. It's a pretty nice wooden elevator cab.
And now it's time to go to 25, and that was the elevator indicator.
We have HK Lift 2008.
Hello! And very nice. Say hello. And wooden elevator cab. 900 persons, 900 kilograms, 12 persons.
Right, Ethan. These are Fujitec Exceldyne, and these are my favorite, Ethan, also known as HK Lift 2008.
Okay.
Here we are at 25.
Nice bell chime.
Agree, Ethan. And you can tell these are the black square
And go
buttons.
outside, and now go down to 2.
Now
And
let's
end the video
go down to
here.
2. Right, Ethan, we're going down to 2. Because that's where my classmate lives.
Okay. I agree, Adrian.
Okay, Ethan, HK Lift 2008.
And we finally arrived back to level 2.
Right, Ethan, we're on
And-
level 2.
And do say back to Adrian. Bye! Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more content.